There you go.
All right, guys, we're gonna get started. Anybody that wants to start off with the combine events or is only doing the combine events, we're gonna start over here on the 40 and get that knocked out real quick. If you want to do weightlifting first, you can do the weightlifting first. Otherwise, me, Ross, and I over here will give you guys your instructions, then we'll go from there. If you guys are doing the weightlifting, we're gonna start off with the bench and the deadlifts. Joel, Mike, and Eric are your graders over here. All right.
Let's get this thing rolling.
You know how to act now. Hit the club, strippers getting naked before I sat down. Still borrowing money stacked out in the shack now. Still push a button and let the roof on the back down.
Stride, Kyle, stride all the way through.
Mississippi to Philly, Albuquerque to Chat Town. Got the crowd yelling, bring 'em out. Hey, I'm a hot girl, bring 'em out. Hey, crowd yelling, bring 'em out. Top kissing and banging bitches and videos. While I put my feet like me up in the freak shows.
Not bad. All the way through. I'll count.
Yeah, guys don't want to do the broad jump.
Okay.
I've never done it one-handed.
He's at 3. Come on, Kyle. Let's go. There it is. Right into it, right into it. There it is. Go, go. 6.
All right.
But it's harder to be a Christian when you catch your spouse having sex with your neighbor. And half of his bank accounts, he had to give some G's up. Why the fuck she want more? Devil said a shot to the head and she's done for. He picked up his car keys and headed to the Easter close. The man he used to be and died and now with Easter rolls. Thought we was picture perfect, but since you couldn't show love, this pistol is my brush. I'ma paint a portrait with your blood.
29.75.
Good. Stick it, stick it. 9.5. Nice shit. Nice jump, boy. Get there. Get there. Stick it. Come back up.
7, 8. What is that on the other side? Why did that flip over?
7-9. Stay right there. So, nice job.
Cause all the homies on me. Hey, yo, all the digits I gon' have to do for now, but I'ma break it down when I get back.
Let's get this started. I'm gonna set this shit up.
Come on. 34-14.
Good work.
Come on, Kyle. All the way through. Come on. All the way through. All the way through. Come on.
Do you mind if I come through?
I'm out of this world, come with me to my planet, bitch. I'm a lover, do you think that you can handle it?
They call me Tom, last name Crown. Recognize king, I'ma lay mine down.
I'm a big girl, I can handle myself, but if I get lonely, I'ma need your help.
What's scared now, girl? There. Juice. I want water. Gin and juice. What is this juice?
There you go, getting a good rhythm, getting a good rhythm. There you go. Keep going, keep going. There you go, keep going. Good rhythm, good rhythm. Good rhythm. Let's get it. Keep going. Keep going. There it is. Keep going. You got more. You got more in the tank.
You got 30 at least.
Come on. There you go. There it is. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Push through. There it is. Nice job. That's impressive, my man. That's impressive.
Hard to get traction on that asphalt.
Come on, girl. Come on.
Got the cable hooked up. channels. Lift my shirt, all mammal. You ship off keys and we ship grand piano. All shotgun, hand on the wall, sipping on the board, smoking on the. Bust my gun.
If I wanted to ride my bike like a grandma, I would ride it outside.
Because it's rubber, man. Got it.
There you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. You got it. Stay in that rhythm. Come on, big dog. Come on. 24. Dog. Come on. There's that 20. Come on. Chunk away at that 28. 21. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There it is. There you go. Come on. Inner strength. Inner strength right here. There it is. Come on. 23. Come on. Come on. 24. Let's get it. Come on. Come on. 25. 8. 9. 10 down. There you go. Good rhythm. 10. Let's go. There it is. 10 out of the way. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. 15. Let's go. Come on. There it is. Yep. Lightweight. Light. 19. Hit 20. Hit 20. Come on. 20. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 21. Let's go. Come on. 22. Mind over matter. Mind over matter. Let's go. 23. Come on. Job. There you go. Yep. 2. There it is. Come on. Yep. Yep. 5. Let's go. Come on. 7. Come on. Already at 10. Let's go. Come on. Come on. 13. 14. 15. Come on. 18. 19. Come on. Come on. Come on. 20. 21. 22. Come on. You got another one. Come on. 20. Come on. Lock out. Lock out. 23. Oh. Good job. 23. Not bad, man.
Overall prize?
Yeah. We'll be, you got a rat. I think Granger's adding everything up. Come on, Kyle.